Hi, my name is Daniel Polvoda, and this is my 2016 bike check. So let's go front to back. So my front tire is a Cinema VX front hub. Has sealed bearings, female front hub, all that good stuff. I got random spokes. I got a Cinema 323 rim. I got a Duo Highstreet tire in 2.4. They're blue and they're wire bred, so I really like them because they stand out, and I like to be different. So, anyways, my forks, they're stock FitBikeCo forks that I got with the bike. Headset, I had to replace the bearings because they snapped on me because I was stupid and I tightened this bolt too hard and they snapped the bearings, and I was a bit smaller back then, but now I know better. So stock cap and spacers. For my stem, this is a random Walmart stem I got off my friend. My bars, I have no idea what kind of bars these are. They have a dent right here. They're chrome. I got them off a random bike, but whatever. They got a lot of scratches on them. Random grips, Walmart grip, some Amazon grip. I'm gonna be getting super soft ODIs or Stranger Caleb Quanbeck, I think, grips. I heard those are really soft. Shout out to More Coffee, Seattle. Shout out. For the frame, I got a FitBikeCo Mach 1, I believe, 2012 chromoly triangle. For anybody that's getting into BMX, I highly recommend this frame. I got this bike as a complete from a shop. Anyways, let's go to the seat. So the seat post clamp is integrated. It says FitBikeCo. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says FitBikeCo right here, and it's a really cool feature. The seat post, a random seat post that my dad cut and sawed off for weight reduction. Seat, I've heard of the name, but I can't think of it right now. But it came with the bike, and I used to run my seat really high back in the day, and I kind of ripped it. But I'll be getting a new seat soon. I'll be getting a frame soon too. In the summer, I'll do a dance comp unboxing of that. But let's go to the bottom bracket. So the bottom bracket is the stock bottom bracket. The bearings are like, I'm pretty sure they're broken now. I greased them, ungreased them, cleaned them, greased them again. I've been tightening this bolt really hard and then tightening the pinch bolt. Still, like, you could see that, like, how hard I was tying it. But when I get my new frame, I'll get the new, bottom bracket. This is my FitBikeCo key sprocket. I run a 25-9. I want to try a 28 in the front and a 9 in the back, just to see, how would it feel. My cranks, they're FitBikeCo samox cranks. The paint's wearing down on them. The sticker, I got this at like a city hall bike not contest, but it's like a rodeo where they auction bikes and stuff. So I put it on, but now it doesn't come off, so I regret putting it on. My pedals, Fit Mac pedals. They're getting really old and dirty and gunky and stuff. I'll be getting new pedals. I might get Odyssey PCs, or I might get the Animal Hamilton pedals. Well, let's go to the chain. The chain is a KMC Z410 chain, I think, in 1/8. I got it in white. I regret getting it in white because I kind of don't like it. I should have gotten it in chrome because they don't color the half link. No, not half link, master link. They don't color it, so it's like a chrome. So I'd rather just get it all chrome, and it would match my handlebars. But what else? My back rim, random Walmart hub, because my hub broke. That was on this bike, and I need a replacement soon. Walmart hub. I mean, what else could you ask for? Random spokes, a double wall rim, but I don't know what kind it is. The same tire as in the front, and I like to keep my bike flashy. I get them chrome nipples. You know what that's all about. So yeah, that's my bike check. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys do, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys aren't already followed to me, follow me at Danny Does BMX. I post stuff. Haven't been posting lately, but I think I might start posting again. I hope you guys like that bike check. And yeah, peace.